Okay, so I've got my Android version of our app plugged in here, and I've got it remotely viewing on my desktop so you can see what's going on here. We have an app of short stories that you can purchase, and I'm going to show you the purchase flow and the problems that this double purchase thing that we're running into. All right, so the story I'm going to purchase is called this guy. All right, so I'm actually logged in with my Gmail account here. So and this will be actually a live purchase. So this will actually, send me a receipt. First off, our code on the JavaScript side, follows the standard documentation that's shown here on the home screen. Make sure to close and then try opening. Make sure to open first, and then then you can actually do the purchase. That whole process to me is just ridiculous. Why this is even exposed to the JavaScript side is beyond me. This should just be bundled in with the purchase, but whatever. So okay, so yeah, when someone calls purchase, we close, we open, then we call this purchase product method up here, which I'll show in a second. We close, and then we return the receipt that purchase product returns. Okay, and inside of purchase product, we're actually creating our own promise here because we wanted to standardize the user canceled error, because on our iOS side, we want to use the same constant so that else in our app we can check if the user canceled. We can continue on with the rest of we can cancel out the purchase flow without an error being popped. Okay, so I've got Android Studio up with a debug run going, so I can put a breakpoint in here. I've also got my JavaScript side. I've got a breakpoint in here on the JavaScript side for that purchase function, the purchase product I was just showing. So let's go ahead and try purchasing this product. So if I hit purchase here, right, you can see it come in here, passes my ID. This is our ID for the product. This is good. If I come down here, I could put a breakpoint here. I have a breakpoint in the reject. And let's take a walk over to the Android side. So if I put a breakpoint here on the on billing error, and over here to the, purchase, put it in here, and this, if I play my JavaScript one, all right, let's hit play. Here we are. So BP, the product ID. Let's make sure this is coming in right. There's that product ID we just saw. The pill is null. Then this is the promise. Okay. So this is coming in great. I guess here's where I'm a little lost, being a JavaScript developer, not a Java developer. Here's where I'm like, I don't know what the fuck to do. I see that it's probably going to jump down into this line right here, I'm assuming. So if I hit resume, there we go. BP purchase, get current activity, product ID. There's that product ID. No developer payload. So the problem is, though, I'm actually going to, let's get back to our screen here. Our visor. I'm going to hit play. All right. Okay. Wants me to buy this. So I'm going to put a breakpoint here on our error, on billing error method, right? So I'm going to hit buy, though. I'm going to go through this process. Payment successful. And now look, on billing error has fired. How the fuck is this possible? Well, obviously it's possible because it's happening, but there's a plugin problem. So let me go over to my email. I'll probably get an email already. There it is. Elvis Presley visits. This has just happened. I just got this, minutes ago, not even seconds ago. All right. So the process, the payment went through, but this error is being thrown, and I think this is that error 102. So an error code is 102. Then if I go on the JavaScript side, wait for the reject to come here. Let's hit play. And now I should be catching on the JavaScript side. There it is. Context. Error is, yep, error.to. And this is equal to error fill error. Yep. Purchase subscribe failed with error 102. Yep. So this is the problem. But it's purchased. So let's hit play again. All right. It says there was an error. That's not true. Well, it got rejected. Now, if I go back in, now I'm going to keep my breakpoints the same. Let's just hit the purchase button again. Not changing a thing. Back to my JavaScript side. There's my breakpoint again. Same ID. Let's hit play. Right here and again. Purchase or the billing processor. Showing it's not null. Let's run. Run. And there it is. No error was fired, and it was successful. Not sure what to do here.